Okay, so AI can whip up a masterpiece in seconds. It's kind of mind-blowing, right? And it definitely makes you wonder, so what's left for us humans to do? Well, today we're going to dive into what makes our creativity, our human spark, not just special, but totally irreplaceable. And just so you know, all the insights we're covering here come directly from Chapter 3 of a tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. It's all about how we can cultivate our own thinking to get the absolute most out of working alongside AI.
All right, let's just get right to it. The big question on everyone's mind. AI can make art, write articles, compose music. It seems like it can do it all in seconds. So, is that it? Is human creativity finished? Well, the answer is a huge no, and we're about to see exactly why.
To really get why our creativity is safe, we first have to understand what AI is actually doing when it creates. And yeah, I'm putting creates in air quotes for a very good reason. See, AI isn't staring at a blank canvas and having some stroke of genius. Not at all. It's more like the world's greatest student. It's been fed, well, pretty much the entire internet, all the art, books, and music ever made by humans. It learns the patterns, the styles, and the rules, and then it just remixes it. It puts pieces together in ways that are statistically likely to look good. It's an amazing remix artist for sure, but it's not an inventor. And that right there is the fundamental difference. It's really a tale of two creativities, isn't it? The AI process is all about logic, matching patterns, recombining what it knows, playing the odds. But the human process, that's where we get into totally original ideas, emotional depth, and those wild, unexpected connections that just pop into our heads. That's the human magic. So, if AI is the master remixer, what's our secret sauce? What's that irreplaceable human spark? Let's get into it. Okay, so our source material breaks it down into 5 key pillars of human imagination, things AI just can't touch. First, there's novelty, a genuinely new idea, not just a clever mashup. Then you've got synthesis, which is that amazing ability to connect totally different fields, like architecture and biology. Third is meaning. That's us infusing our work with real purpose and emotion. Fourth is vision, the power to dream up futures that don't exist yet. And the big one, innovation. That's when we just completely shatter the old patterns and create something brand new. And listen, this isn't just some nice philosophical idea. This has real-world dollars and cents value. Think about it. As AI takes over the repetitive stuff, what's left? Our ability to think creatively, to innovate, that's becoming the top skill employers are looking for. It's literally what's going to set you apart. So we have to stop looking at this as a fight, human versus AI. That's the wrong way to think about it. The real power, and this quote says it perfectly, is in collaboration. It's a partnership. Here's the best way to frame it. The AI is your new, incredibly powerful assistant. It can do all the grunt work, spit out 1,000 ideas, and explore options faster than any human ever could. But you are the creative director. You have the vision. You have the taste. You make the final call. Let's make this real. Imagine a graphic designer. They could ask an AI to generate, say, 100 different logo ideas in, 5 minutes? Boom, there they are. Now the human designer steps in. They use their experience, their gut feeling, their aesthetic judgment to pick the 1 or 2 that have real potential. And then they refine it, they tweak it, they pour the brand's story and essence into it. See? The AI gives you the clay, but the human sculptor gives it a soul. Okay, that all sounds great, right? But how do you actually do it? How can you start building this partnership today? All right, here's a practical exercise you can try. Step 1, use an AI tool to just brainstorm. Throw a challenge at it and get a flood of initial ideas. Step 2, look through them. What weird connections did the AI miss? What gaps are there? Step 3, infuse meaning. Ask yourself, what's the story I want to tell with this? Step 4, add your original twist. Do something that breaks from the patterns the AI gave you. And finally, step 5, use your human judgment. Refine it, polish it, and make it yours. The whole point here is transformation. You're not just an editor for the AI. No way. You're taking its starting point and using it as a launch pad to go somewhere totally new, somewhere meaningful, a place the algorithm literally can't get to by itself. So let's wrap this up with a final thought. An AI can give you a million variations of everything that's already been done, infinite remixes. But only you, the human creative director, can bring something truly new into the world. So the real question isn't about what the AI can generate. The question is, what's the one brand new idea that you are going to bring to life?